how to make Roblox 10 times faster without any lag problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just download this app. It's called Game Booster. You will find it on Play Store and then get into it. And after that, let's wait a few seconds. Okay, and we will find the dashboard right here. All what you have to do here, you will find this add game option. Click on it and make sure to search for Roblox. Now go back and click here on Roblox, and you need to wait now a few seconds so it will make it more faster for you. Now after it get finished, all what you have to do is simple. Just go back to the dashboard like this, and okay, now click on GFX tool, click next and choose the FPS that you want. For example, you can even choose 144, but I recommend you to choose 90 FPS, and then choose the graphics. I recommend you to choose the lowest one and click next, and congratulations, it's completed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.